Maharashtra vote in the upcoming elections will be very interesting. One, because of the fierce campaigning by both the Mahayuti and the Mahavikas Aghadi. The rising political temperature, the tone and the tenor of the leaders from parties of both sides is reason enough to believe that a lot is at stake for both the alliances. Now, secondly, the critical consolidation of the Muslim and Dalit votes in the last Lok Sabha elections, which happened just 6 months ago. The MVA succeeded in winning 30 out of 48 Lok Sabha seats. Bharatiya Janata Party leaders had labeled this consolidation as vote jihad, suggesting an aggressive mobilization of Muslim voters. Are we going to see a repeat of the same as alleged by the BJP? We'll get to know on the 23rd of November. But the Mahavikas Aghadi is getting support from the Muslim communities. First, it was the Ulema Board that offered conditional support, and now it is the All India Muslim Personal Law Board that has decided to support the Mahavikas Aghadi on 269 seats. Now listen in to what the spokesperson of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board said.
We have decided to support the candidates of Mahavikas Aghadi on 269 constituencies. 269. And please note it. It is worth noticing that we have extended our support to 170 candidates from Maratha and OBC communities. We also like to take this opportunity to appeal through you to the citizens of Maharashtra to please come out and perform 100% voting.
Now, the BJP is slamming the communal politics of the Mahavikas Aghadi, with the Mahayuti netas calling it dangerous for the country.
जो मुस्लिम लॉ बोर्ड है और जो ऑल इंडिया उलेमा बोर्ड है, दोनों के बहुत सारे मांगे थे, और जो कांग्रेस पार्टी है, शरद पवार जी की पार्टी है, और जो उद्धव जी की पार्टी है, उन्होंने उनके लिए हाँ भरा है। इसके लिए जब मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड उनका समर्थन, महाविकास आघाड़ी का समर्थन करती है, कोई चौंकाने वाली बात नहीं है। लेकिन ये देश के लिए खतरा है, महाराष्ट्र के लिए खतरा है।
ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने खुलेआम सरेआम फतवा जारी किया है कि इस चुनाव में वो एमवीए का समर्थन करेगी, और मामला बिल्कुल क्लियर है। धार्मिक कारणों से एआईएमपीएलबी ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ये करेगी। जो लोग बटोगे तो कटोगे को सांप्रदायिक कहते हैं, उनके लिए ऐसे 10% मुस्लिम आरक्षण के फतवे, वोट जिहाद करो के नारे, मुस्लिम एक हो जाओ और वोट करो ईमान के लिए, मुस्लिम फर्स्ट की पॉलिसी जो कर्नाटका में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देने में अपनाई जा रही है, ये सब कुछ सेकुलर है। परंतु अगर बोला जाए हिंदू समाज ना बटे तो वो सांप्रदायिक कहलाता है।
Now, the Samajwadi Party too has welcomed this decision of the AIMPLB.
अच्छी बात है ना। मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि जो लोग इस देश में सेकुलरिज्म को लाना चाहते हैं, जो लोग इस देश में गांधी जी की कातिल की मूर्ति बनाकर उसकी पूजा करना चाहते हैं और इस देश के संविधान को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, उनके खिलाफ बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हो रहे हैं। जब तो इसीलिए तो अब की बार 400 पार वाले 240 पे आ गए, और यहाँ भी यही होगा। मैं समझता हूँ, मैं निवेदन करूंगा तमाम देश के लोग जो इस देश को चाहते हैं, जो इस देश के संविधान को मानते हैं, सब इकट्ठा हो जाओ और महाविकास अघाड़ी के बैनर तले आ जाओ और उसी को वोट दो।
आपको क्या लगता है सर, मौलाना नुमानी के इस बयान के बाद कितना परसेंटेज में मुनाफा होगा?
बहुत मुनाफा होगा। वो लोग साधु संतों से ऐलान करवा रहे हैं, और अगर मौलाना साहब हिंदू मुस्लिम को सबको लेकर साथ में काम कर रहे हैं तो जरूर सेकुलर वोट इकट्ठा हो सकता है।
Nilesh is joining us live. Nilesh, the campaigning is on in full swing. It's also entering its last stage. Today we are going to see mega rallies in Maharashtra, but the larger talking point in the state when it comes to both Mahayuti and Mahavikas Aghadi is about consolidation, counter-consolidation. With the AIMPLB now declaring support to the Aghadi, the Bharatiya Janata Party says, listen, what we said all along is clear. What we have been, the kind of Muslim League jibe that we have been firing also seems to be coming true. How do you look at the impact on the ground?
Well, when we are speaking of a state with 288 seats, more than 6 parties contesting head-on with each other, it is a Maha battle, and every weapon, every arsenal is being used by every party to counter each other and to attract as many as votes possible, because it is just nearly few days left when the state of Maharashtra will be under polls. And as of now, the Maha Vikas Aghadi, which was stating that Batoge Katoge Ek Hai To Safe Hai, slogans are all slogans that is used for polarization of votes. But now Maha Vikas Aghadi is finding it hard to counter BJP when it comes to All India Muslim Personal Law Board, extending its support to the Maha Vikas Aghadi leaders, not just in 1 or 2 or hundreds, but 269 seats. So that is a major share of seats that the Muslim Personal Law Board is extending its support. And not only this particular board, but more than 200 other organizations, other NGOs have also extended their support towards the Maha Vikas Aghadi Alliance, and hence it becomes a very difficult counter for the Mahayuti Alliance as well, who has been stating...
But Nilesh, have you heard anything from leaders of the Maha Vikas Aghadi after the AIM-PLB openly declared support for the Aghadi?
Well, as of now, no open statements has been made, but leaders, while speaking unofficially, have at multiple occasions mentioned that how they are in a great confidence even after the Lok Sabha elections, that Uddhav Thackeray in the public rally have multiple times mentioned that how in the Lok Sabha election it was the Muslim votes which had favored them in a big number, and that is the reason why the vote turnout or the sheet sharing was very drastically, very deeply impacted during the Lok Sabha election, and this is what they are expecting to be done in
It will be very interesting to see the kind of reaction that comes in from the Shiv Sena UBT at a time when, number one, the AIM-PLB has declared support to the Aghadi. Number two, when there is, a mobilization of NGOs who want to, who appeal to the Muslim voters to choose the Aghadi, and also the conditional support of the ulemas. Now, do stay with us, Nilesh, because we are also shifting our focus to Solapur.